Good morning. Yes, even after 24.7 miles or something like that yesterday, we are out again today. But we're doing about 8 miles today, a little over 8 miles. And in the beginning of our adventure, that was a lot, but right now it's going to be a little bit of an easier day. And it's chilly, but really nice today again. Beautiful. And we're probably going to zero tomorrow. Our bodies need a break from hiking, but we'll see. We're looking at the forecast for the next week, and my favorite, it's going to rain. So who knows? Today's 8 miles. Should be fun. They don't look too hard, but you never know. Have a great morning. Hi, we have hiked about 4 miles, just over 4 miles, and stopped for a quick bite to eat. There's Adam having something to eat, and we stopped at this really cool looking shelter. It's painted like a yellow, and it's a double-decker shelter. It's nice, but really we're on such a slope, there's not really good tent sites. Behind me is the trail. That's where we're headed. And we're doing 8 miles today, and my body needs a rest. So when we get back, we started kind of early. So when we get back, I'm going back to that groovy smoothie place. Adam and I love the smoothies so much. We're getting another smoothie, but I think I'm going to add a protein shot so that we can heal our muscles. And I don't know if I told you, but I got some Dr. Teal's Epsom salts, and I've been soaking in them. So definitely going to take another soak today because my body needs a day of rest. And so that will be tomorrow. But Adam decided he wanted to try another type of Pal's burger. So that's in the agenda for later today. But before any of that happens, we have to hike another 4 miles. So that's what we're going to do. We are going to be crossing this river about 4 times. It's really pretty and it sounds nice. And that was a really good bridge. Back on trail. We just popped out of the woods. Right there, see the white blaze on that tree. And here we are. Adam's standing in the railroad tracks. And this is an active railway because I've heard the train, so. Here it comes. No, I'm just teasing. It's not coming. And back into the woods. We are crossing the river, that pretty river that we saw yesterday from really up high. We're crossing the river. Someone left flowers. That gets us back into Erwin. We've hobbled our way 8 miles today. Everything hurts, but tomorrow we are going to heal our bodies, and I'm certainly going to soak in Epsom salts. Hey, look, someone was fishing. I don't know if you could see right there. They missed. That's pretty funny. Anyway, Adam, what are you looking forward to?
A smoothie.
There he goes on his bike, having a good day. And those are not wisteria. They are called Redbud. I asked Marie, our shuttle driver, and she said, oh, those are called Redbud. And I love them. They're beautiful. I told her we don't have those up north. So that's really nice. Tom and Marie have been so helpful. Tom is a rock star. Hey, look, up close. Look how pretty. Look at that. Isn't that tree cool? Love it. All right, we'll catch up with you later. All right. So this afternoon, we went to the grocery store, got some healthy food to eat. Now, as you can see, Adam's in his awesome outfit, and we are going to go sing karaoke. Well, I'm going to go sing. Adam's going to go people watch, and then we're going to come home and have a nice sleep. I did soak in Epsom salts, so that made me feel a little better. I feel good, and I'll let you know how it goes. But this is probably it for the night. Erwin has been so good to us.